Next, we're going to cover the Start menu. You can find out what operating system you're running by hovering your mouse right over that. To use the Start menu, you simply click it, and it's divided into 3 sections: Places, System, and Favorites. So we'll start with Favorites. This is the Opera web browser. This is the one that you'll be using the most, probably the most used program on the computer. We have Google Chrome for websites that require Google Chrome, and Firefox is also on here. Make sure that you know that these are not primary browsers. These are only just-in-case type of browsers. If you want to fetch your email from the web and download it to your computer, Thunderbird is the way to go. You simply click it, pop in your name, your email address, and your password, and boom, you are up and running fetching email. I far prefer this to reading it on the web, personally. Libreoffice. This is a drop-in replacement for Microsoft Office. Does the same thing, saves in the same file formats, and is completely interchangeable. It also outputs PDFs. So you have your Writer, which replaces Microsoft Word, your Spreadsheet, which replaces Excel, your Presentation, which replaces PowerPoint, for those of you who like to irritate others with your PowerPoint presentations, and we have a simple text editor, just like Notepad on a Windows machine. Rhythmbox for music. This changes the resolution of your display. If it looks good, don't mess with it. Your system monitor, which kind of tells you what's going on with the computer. A simple calculator or a complicated calculator, depending on how you want to configure it. Your sound, change volume and sound events. 4K video downloader is for downloading YouTube videos. PC Virtualbox, if you want to run other operating systems inside the computer, you can do that. Screenshot tool, you can just take a screenshot of your whole computer, or you can also just press the print screen key. Always wondered what that did, didn't you? This is the simple scan. If you have a printer that has a scanner on it, you can click that to scan documents. Popcorn Time is a video browser for movies. It will get you in trouble if you're on a private network, so use it with discretion. Burning CDs, DVDs, Bracero, and if you want to erase your tracks, as well as Hillary Clinton did, use what she used, BleachBit. Over on Places, we have Computer, your home folder, the network, desktop, trash, System, Software Manager. This is where all your software comes from. Package Manager is a much nerdier version of Software Manager. If you just need one component of something, that's where to find it. Control Center is much like your control panel on a Windows machine. Terminal is just like your DOS prompt. Lock Screen will do exactly what it says, lock your screen and keep other people from getting in your computer. Log Out, if you have multiple users on the computer, you can log out of your account without doing anything else. And Quit. Quit allows you to suspend the computer or shut it down or reboot it. Here we have the search bar. Now this is a mega search bar. It searches for everything. You can search for things on your computer. You can search for programs. You can search the web. Anything you want, you just type it in. For example, if you wanted to find the TeamViewer program, which we see on the desktop, type in TEA. One little trick with this, if you're going to use something like this, you've got to go over straight and up. By the way, if you want to add anything to your menu, right-click it and show in My Favorites, and it will show up on that Favorites menu. There are 2 menus, the Favorites menu and the All Applications menu. This one gives you a very comprehensive list and everything. So if you want to noodle around in there, go ahead and have fun with it.